This is my Craftsman LTS2000 riding mower. I picked this up from an estate sale down the street for $400, which had also included a pull-behind trailer. This tractor hasn't been well maintained and it was in desperate need for some new blades, so I want to go over that with you. I ended up buying these max power mulching blades on Amazon for $22 for the set. I'll put an affiliate link down below so you can purchase them if you're interested. I cut my yard a few days ago and I just noticed that it was super uneven and almost scalped on one side, and the other side just didn't look like it got cut. You can see the highs and lows in the grass. So this is what made me think I needed new blades on my mower. We have to remove the mower deck to get to the blades to be able to replace them. After lowering the deck to its lowest setting, we'll have to remove the pins and take off the belt. There are two pins that aren't in the video that are a little bit above what's shown here, but you'll see them if you look. Once all those pins are removed, we can slide the deck out and then we can remove this spring here. I had to remove a ton of grass and dirt to be able to get to it, and that's why you need to keep your deck clean. Once that's complete, we can flip the deck over and get to the blades. You'll need a 5/8 inch socket. Now would be a good time to clean up the bottom of your deck too. And you can see that these blades are worn and bent. You'll need a wood block or a stone so you can twist off the blade without it spinning around. And we'll repeat the same thing on the other blade. Once the old blades are removed, we can go ahead and put on the new ones. For this part, we'll need a torque wrench, and we're going to be tightening down to 45 to 55 foot-pounds of torque. And since I couldn't find a wood block, I was still using this brick. I just had to make sure the edge wasn't touching the sharp edge of the blade so it wouldn't dull it out. And once again, we just repeat the same process on the other side. Once this is done, we can flip the deck back over and install it back on the mower. After I finished cleaning up my mower, I took this out and cut my grass again, and it made a huge improvement. As you can see, there's no more highs and lows. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be making a few more videos in the coming weeks, so be sure to subscribe.